Hello everyone, welcome to the coordinates. In the previous video, we have successfully created the update command handler. Now in this video, I am going to show you how to create the delete command and handler. So create a new folder, delete product. Now copy, right click, add new class, command, record public, then I request. Here I am going to use the boolean. Booleans because we have defined the repository that return the boolean. Because true or false I am going to return. So this way I am using the boolean for the product delete command. Rest of them are same as the product ID which I am going to delete, then the constructor and then return the product. Now I am going to create the handler for this class command handler. Same again, I request handler delete command, then implement the interface. Private read only I product repository, then we have to use the constructor. Now first where product ID equals to request dot product ID. This product ID also coming from this one product ID. Now where product equals to await get product by ID with cancellation token, get product by ID. This method I'm going to call. Now if product not equals to null, then we going to delete the product and return the true, else return false. So in this way we have successfully created the delete command and delete handler for the product. So thank you for watching this video.